You watching Top 5 Best Portable Air Conditioners. Number 5. New Air AC 10100E. Ultra compact design cools, ventilates, and dehumidifies spaces up to 325 square feet. Energy efficient technology reduces energy consumption. Auto evaporative system offers hours of continuous operation without draining. Ships fully assembled with easy window installation kit. Customizable cooling options with adjustable temperature settings, 12-hour programmable timer and sleep mode. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 4. Winter Arc 14SH. 3 operational modes: air conditioner, fan, or dehumidifier. Unit dimensions: 19W×16D×35.5H. Cooling: 61 degrees Fahrenheit, 89 degrees Fahrenheit, and heating: 61 degrees Fahrenheit, 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Thermostatic control with digital readout, 24-hour programmable timer. Remote control, upgraded plastic window kit, 36 maximum, carbon air filter and washable pre-filter included. Dehumidifying capacity of 101 pints per day, 3 fan speeds. Casters for easy mobility. Noise level, dBA, 56. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. Winter 14,000 BTU. 14,000 BTU cooling, dual hose operation, CFC-free R410, a refrigerant and lead-free RoHS compliant components. Patented auto drain function fully exhausts all condensate automatically in most environments. 3 operational modes: air conditioner, fan, or dehumidifier. Includes extendable exhaust and intake hoses, up to 60, and window kit, up to 46. Remote control, upgraded plastic window kit, 46 maximum, carbon air filter and washable pre-filter included. Max window kit length equals 46, min window kit length equals 20. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. Global Air 10,000. 0%. Imported. Digital controls offer precise temperature adjustments, and the remote control lets you control the air conditioner from across the room. Self-evaporative system, no water tank. The condensing water is recycled to improve the efficiency through cooling condenser. Overcold protection, 3 minutes restart delay function. Wind blows upward and anti-frozen function under cooling. Unit must be vented to the outside. Use included window installation kit and follow detailed installation instructions in the owner's manual. Do not use extension cords. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 1. Friedrich PH14B. Nullify. Imported. Dual hoses have up to 40% faster cooling than single hose units. 4-in-1, air conditioner, heater, dehumidifier, and fan. 4 rooms up to approximately 700 square feet. Condensate overflow protection. Self-evaporation condensate system means no bucket to empty. Please check the description for details and update price.